Well, Friday the 13th of May. I'm not superstitious, I think it's all a load of bollocks. Anyhow, Mini Mack is shaping up, but I've run out of argon today. I was doing these extra front arches, bits of body work under there, and I've run out of bloody argon, which is a piss off. So I got my upstairs lights on and shit. Got one mirror done. I got these side plates on, which are going to be stiffened. I'm still not sure on the back tyres yet whether I should put these lower profile ones on. Got my lights sort of setting on the bumper. Got these super duper mud flap things. They're actually off stairs and they've got a 90-degree lip on the top, so they're shit hot for what I want. Got my steering box bolted up. I got a mini bumper. Bought a pile of shit off Trade Me to get the bumper, which was good. Got to finish that grill top thing. I don't know how I'm going to hold that on. One mirror made. Got to trim the top. So I'll put a breather on that diesel tank. It's pissing out. Bit naughty. So it's got lights, brakes, steering, seats, seat belts, all the stuff ready for certification next week. And if I can get it certified next week, then I'm going to pull everything off again to start the horrible job of tidying up and painting. Put my reversing lights on today, which is good. Got a new spare. Got a profile one, match the fronts. So I'm guessing it's going to be about 2.2 ton. That's my estimate, but could be wrong. Still not sure what colour to paint it. And I bought a thing today, 24 volt to 12 volt transformer thing to run the radio, the 12 volt pump to pump diesel from one tank to the other. And I'm putting a mini heater in it. I've got a late model mini heater with this shit I bought the other day, which is 12 volt. Bung that in. And I think I've got a 12 volt interior light somewhere I can run that too. So still got to do a bit tidying up around this gap here. Take that up, trim that, and put some rubber across just as a flap to stop the crud. So